Welcome to the special series that we're having on the Primal Beehive. In today's video, we are going to assemble the Primal Beehive. So let's start with the bottom board. So it does come with a tray for Varroa, and it also has a screen. So I've got a little plastic screen, and all you do is use some little pins or staples to hold this in place. It's just loose, but you pin it around here. And that's all there is to it for the bottom board. Next, let's work on a honey super. They just go together just like a Lego. So they just snap into each other like this and you push them down, but you don't want to do it without using glue. So I'm just demonstrating how they go together, but now when we want this for the long haul, we're going to use the Titebond 3 glue and we're just going to apply it here. So this is going to stay together without coming apart, because when you lift these and they're full of honey, the last thing you need is for them to fall apart on you. So we're going to glue them together. And that way we've got a nice, secure honey super. And that's it. So we've got one more piece to go on here. And we'll glue the tops. And just when you do this, make sure that the handles are all facing the right way. So just take a minute to look at them. And now you've got a honey super, and all you have to do next is just add the frame rests to them. So the two frame rests go in here, and they lock in right here. The way they lock in, it's just like a puzzle piece right here. And your frames all rest right in here. So that is a complete honey super that took literally 1 minute to put together. And it's well insulated, just like the rest of the hive. It'll sit right on top of the large brood nest that you have here. This is a dedicated brood nest. And we've got all of our frames now waxed and wired and ready to put into the Primal Beehive. So this takes a little bit of time to do. I had my friend John help me put these together, and it was very helpful to have a partner doing this. So if you've got someone, a bee buddy, that can give you a hand while putting these deep frames together, because they're 27 inches deep. So these take a little bit of work, but it is worth the effort to go ahead and wire them. If you're not using the plastic foundation that Primal Bee supplies, you have to take the time to wire in and melt the wax so that everything stays together nice and secure. But now we've got everything that the bees need in order to start building. So these deep frames will just go right inside of the Primal Beehive. So we're gonna set these all in right now. We're gonna set in 4 because we're in swarm season right now. So we're gonna set 4 in, and then we're gonna put our follower board next to that and give our bees 4 frames that they can start working. Now here's our follower board. So we're going to partition off the empty side of the hive using the follower board. We'll just drop that in here. We've got our bottom board ready to go. We are almost ready for bees. We're just going to finish putting together the last of our supers, and then we're going to go look for swarms, or we're going to shake out a swarm out of a colony and make an artificial swarm or an artificial split. I've got it cinched, and I've got a feeder super on top with the feeder jar inside, and the bees are doing just fine. In the next video, I'll show you how we got the bees in. We actually had to shake a swarm. So that'll be in the next Primal Hive update. So don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.